Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to ANIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. My dear student, today is a interest topics. My dear student, today is an interest topics is going to be held, which is word and even number. I know you are very well in word and even number section, and you can easily find out which are word number and which are even number. Okay, because we have already taken 2 class on the basis of word and even number. My dear student, today is our review class. Today is our review class. So my dear students, we shall start our class. Before starting our class, we recall our previous classes. Listen, what are the even number and what are the word numbers from 0 to 9. At first we want to know word and even. Dear student, from 0 to 9, the word number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And from 0 to 9, the even number are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Dear students, now please read with me. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are word number, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even number. Okay. Now again 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are word number, and 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even number. If you can understand which are word and which are even number from 0 to 9, then it is so easy for you to find out which number is word and which number is even. My dear student, notice this is a number 1523 and another number 1628. Dear student, when we want to determine a number, word or even, then we notice only its ones place number. We notice only its ones place number. Notice here ones place, ones place. This is ones place, this is ones place. Here notice ones place digit is 3. If ones place digit is word number, then the total number is odd number. If ones place digit is even number, then total number is even number. Notice 1523, his ones place number is 3. 3 is the notation of word number. As 3 is odd number, so we can say 1523 is word number. Again 1628, its ones place digit is 8. 8 is the notation of even number. As 8 is even number, so we can say the total number is even number. So 1628 is even number. I hope you have understood how to determine word and even number and how to separate the word number and even number. Dear student, in our question paper, in question number 2, find out word and even numbers of the following numbers. Okay, this question will come. So my dear students, when you want to answer this question, at first you write answer to the question number 2. Answer to the question QUES nom 2. After that, if you give a underline sign, okay. Then answer to the question number 1. Okay. Now we shall solve question number B. Okay. Question number B. Dear student, notice here how many numbers are given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 numbers. So some numbers are even and some numbers are odd. We need to separate that number which are even and which are odd. So first of all, we make a table. Okay. And we divide this table into 2 parts. Notice word number, and here you write even number. Dear student, at first you notice the first number of this table. Here notice 1521 is the first number. Notice here one's place digit is 1. 1 is the notation of even number or odd number. We know that 1 is the notation of odd number. As 1 is odd number, so we can say 1521 is odd number. So we write this number in the odd number column, 1521, and this is done. Okay. And next we shall go to our second number, 1620. Here you notice the ones place digit is 0. As ones place digit is 0 and which is the notation of even number, so we can say the total number is even, 1620, and this is even number, 1620. I hope you have understood. Okay. Second one is done. Next we shall go to our third one, 1900. 1900. So its ones place number is 0. As ones place is 0 and 0 is the notation of even number, so we can say 1900 is even number. So where we write 1900, and this is the column of even number, so we write here 1900. 1900. So this one is also done. Next, fourth number, 1329. We notice only its ones place digit, it is 9. As 9 is the notation of odd number, so we can say 1329 is odd number. Where you write in odd number section, 1329. Okay, fourth one is done. Next we shall go to our next one, which is 1956, and its ones place digit is 6. 6 is the notation of even number. As 6 is even, so we say 1956 is even. Now write 1956 is even number because it is the column of even number. Next, fifth one is done. Next we shall go to our next one. It is 1725. Repeat, 1725, and its last digit, that means ones place digit is 5. 5 is the notation of odd number or even number. I know you can answer this question. That will be 5 is odd number. As 5 is odd number, so we can say 1725 is odd number. So we write this in the odd number column, 1725. So this is done. Next we shall solve our next one, 1444, and its ones place digit is 4, and 4 is the notation of even number. As 4 is even number, so we can say the total number, that means 1444 is even number. We write this number in the section 1444. So this one is also done. We shall go to our next number, 1873, and its ones place digit, that means last digit is 3, and 3 is the notation of odd number. As 3 is odd number, so we can say 1873 is odd number. Right in the odd number column, 1873. This one is also done. Dear student, our next one, notice 1250. Here ones place digit is 0, that means last digit is 0, and 0 is the notation of even number. As 0 is even number, so we can say the total number is even, 1250. Write 1250 is the notation of even number. Okay, and our last number, 1167. So we notice the last digit only, that means 7. 7 is the notation of odd number. As 7 is odd number, so we can say the total number is odd. That means 1167 is odd number, and where we write in the odd number column, that means 1167. Dear student, our answer is almost done, but you need to check which number are odd and which number are even. Notice 19537. 19537. These are the notation of odd number. As these are the notation of odd numbers, so the total numbers are odd numbers. So this column is okay. Okay. You must revise. After that you check the even number, last digit only. 0 is the notation of even, 0 is the notation of even number, 6 is the notation of even number, 4 is the notation of even number, and 0 is the notation of even number. So it is also done and our answer is okay. I hope you have understood how to write odd number and even number. Okay. So dear student, this is question number B. Now we shall solve question number C. Okay. Okay dear student, I erase this to solve question number C. Okay. Dear student, answer to the question number 2 remains same. After that question number C. Okay. So here I write C. Okay. Now I draw a table first. Okay, and divide it into 2 columns. One is odd number and another is even number. Okay, one is odd number and another is even number. Next. Okay, so notice 1350, 1837, 1621, 1972, 1033, 1528, 2000, 1991, 1539 and 1448. Dear students, 10 numbers are given. Here some numbers are odd and some numbers are even. We need to separate the number which are odd in the odd number column and even which are even in the even number column. So dear student, at first we notice the first one 1350. Here last digit is 0, that means it's the ones place digit which is 0 and 0 is the notation of even number. As 0 is the notation of even number, so we can say the total number 1350 is even number. Now write 1350, this one is done. Next 1837. Here last digit is 7, that means ones place digit is 7. 7 is the notation of odd number. As 7 is odd, so we can say 1837 is odd. 1837. This one is also done. We shall go to our next number 1621 and its last digit is 1, that means it is ones place digit. 1 is the notation of odd number. So we can write 1621 as odd number in odd number column. 1621. So third one is done. Next we shall solve our fourth one 1972. Here ones place digit is 2, which is the notation of even number. So we can say 1972 is even number. Now write 1972. So this one is done also. And last fifth one 1033. Here last digit is 3, as 3 is the notation of odd number, so we can say 1033 is odd number and which is written in the odd number column, that means 1033. Okay, this one is done. Next one 1528. Its last digit, that means ones place digit is 8. So 8 is the even number. As 8 is even number, so 1528 is even number. So write 1528. Okay. So this one is done. We shall go to our next one, which is 2000. Here is last digit is 0 and 0 is the notation of even number. So we can say 2000 is even number. Write 2000 in even number column. Okay. And next one 1991. Here ones place digit is 1, which is the notation of odd number. So we can say 1991 is odd number. Write this in the odd number column 91. So this one is done. After that we shall go to our next one, which is 1539 and its last digit, that means ones place digit is 9. So 9 is the notation of odd number, so we can say this number is odd. That means 1539 is odd number. 1539 is odd number. So this one is also done. And our last one, 1448, and its last digit, that means ones place digit is 8, which is the notation of even number. So we can say 1448 is even number, right? 1448. So this one is also done. Now my dear student, we shall check. This is odd number, that means last digit must be odd number. This is even number, that means last digit must be even number. So check now. Here 7 is the notation of odd, 1 is the notation of odd number, 3 is the notation of odd number, 1 is the notation of odd number, and 9 is the notation of odd number. So 7, 1, 3, 1, 9 all are odd numbers. So this odd number column is okay. Okay, now we shall check our even number. Notice last digit 0, 2, 8, 0, 8. So all the number are notations of notation of even numbers. So this column is also okay. So dear student, this is our today's review class. Okay. Now I shall give you a example which will be your SW. SW number 25. Dear student, 2A. Find out odd and even numbers of the following numbers. The numbers are 2000, 1523, 1331, 1228, 1553, 1925, 1784, 1038, 1625, 1432. Dear student, notice here 10 numbers are given, some numbers are odd and some numbers are even. So in order to answer this question, at first you write answer to the question number 2A. After that you start to write answer. So at first you make a table, one side you write odd numbers, another side you write even number. Then you separate the number odd in the odd number column and even in the even number column. You must do your SI in SW in SW copy regularly and submit it regularly by your guardians and any other person. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. My dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.